Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the service. In this video, we're taking a look at Westpac New Zealand, accessible online at westpac.co.nz. Navigating their website, you'll find a comprehensive range of financial services catered to the New Zealand market. From everyday banking solutions like checking and savings accounts to more complex financial products like mortgages, loans, and investment options, Westpac appears to offer a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. Their online platform allows customers to manage their accounts, make transactions, and access a wealth of resources, all from the convenience of their computer or mobile device. Whether you're an individual looking for personal banking services or a business seeking financial support, Westpac NZ seems to have options available. Further exploration reveals dedicated sections for specific customer segments, including personal banking, business banking, wealth management, and even rural banking, highlighting their commitment to serving diverse financial needs. It's worth noting that the website's layout appears user-friendly, with clear navigation and easy access to key information. While I haven't personally used all of their services, the breadth of offerings presented on westpac.co.nz suggests a commitment to comprehensive financial solutions. Potential customers can explore various product details, learn about current interest rates, and access online tools and calculators to help them make informed financial decisions. Westpac New Zealand also emphasizes its commitment to security and customer support, providing contact information and resources for assistance. Before making any financial decisions, it's always advisable to conduct thorough research and compare different options to find the best fit for your specific circumstances. This overview simply provides a glimpse into the services seemingly offered by Westpac New Zealand based on their website. Remember to delve deeper into the specifics of each product or service before making any commitments. They also appear to offer various resources and tools to help with financial planning, budgeting, and other aspects of personal finance. Their online presence suggests a focus on digital banking solutions, making it convenient for customers to manage their finances on the go. Additionally, Westpac NZ seems to highlight their community involvement and sustainability initiatives, showcasing their commitment beyond traditional banking services.